guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Vivian, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Sony vlogging camera, which I'm currently filming on, the Sony ZV1. Because I'm a small content creator, I can't always film on my phone because my storage, and we all know how the Apple storage can be sometimes. It can be quite challenging, so I decided to purchase the Sony ZV1 because I saw great reviews about it. So I'm going to give you my personal reviews about it. This is not necessarily a tech channel, but I'm going to give you a few reviews. I've been using the Sony ZV1, so I'm going to review for you guys my pros and cons on using the Sony ZV1. The Sony ZV1 camera is compatible with so many devices. The pros of using the Sony ZV1 is it comes with Wi-Fi. It can definitely connect to Wi-Fi. That is my number one pro, connecting to the internet. Depending on the location you are at, it can definitely connect and it's easier to use. The second pro that I have for it is the beauty filters on it. The mild smoothening of the skin, the deep smoothening of the skin, and I do use the mild one because I do have a little bit of some acne on my skin, so it definitely enables the smoothening of the skin. So the other thing I like from it is that it has the defocusing. Let me see if I can show you. You can defocus, you can focus the background, you can, this is it on defocus, and this is on it on focus, clear background. So depending on whatever you are choosing at the moment or whatever you are shooting, you can focus and defocus the background you are in. So that is another pro for me. The other pro for me is its compatibility. You can definitely move around so many places with the Sony ZV1. It's lightweight. You can pack it in your bag at any one time. The other pro I have for the Sony ZV1 is that it comes with an inbuilt mic. I don't have to necessarily connect my mic onto the camera to speak, so that is a bit of a relief for me because I definitely don't want to be moving around with so many products with me. I just want to pack my camera in my bag and vlog in peace. I don't want to be moving around with mics, so that is a little bit compatible for me because it has an inbuilt mic. Another pro for me is that you can definitely know when you are recording because it has a red light to tell you when you are recording, because you don't get to waste a lot of time. It's easier to speak for hours knowing that you are recording, and then you go back and check your camera and your camera had blacked off and you miss out on the important details of your art or of your work. So definitely the Sony helps you to know that you are recording. To me, that was so amazing for me because having filmed so many videos on my iPhone, it was so difficult for me to know if I'm recording. When you put it on a tripod and you're using your back camera, it's so hard to know if you're recording. So for me, the Sony helps me to know when I am recording, so it's very important for me. The other features I do know, I'll link a video down below that is going to help you on how you can set up your Sony camera and how it helped me on setting up mine, but it doesn't need any setup because this is the current setup it came with. So this is how I'm filming. I've not changed it that deep, but if you want to go much into aesthetics and into fonts, you can definitely check a video down below that I'm going to link to help you on setting up your Sony camera. But in general, it's easy to use, very portable, very light, and I do love it. As a content creator, is that it runs out of battery. The battery runs out very quickly and it takes time to charge. Because it comes with a removable battery, I think I do need to buy a second battery so that it's easier for me to vlog around. And the other pro that people have is change of lens, because I don't shoot in wider angles, so it's okay for me. But sometimes when I want to shoot outfit pictures, it's quite difficult for me to shoot because the lens itself is not detachable. You can't remove the lens, so it comes with one lens. In general, you can adjust it, zoom in, zoom out, but that's it. you can't attach a bigger lens onto it. So I think that's the major problem with most of us content creators, is that the Sony ZV1 doesn't come with a detachable lens. But in general, it's an easy camera to use. It's easy to carry around. I usually used my iPhone 11 Pro to film my videos, but now I do go ahead and film my videos either with my iPhone or with my Sony, because sometimes it's so hard to pull out a camera in public. You are feeling shy. Sometimes your friends don't like they find it uncomfortable being around a camera, so it's easier to vlog with your phone out. But sometimes, as I say, storage of your phone will let you down, so investing in a camera that works for you is more important. So I will put a side by side of my iPhone 11 Pro, which is very, very good at vlogging. The videos come out nicely, so I'll put a side by side and you guys can choose what works for you. But you can invest in an iPhone if you want to, with a larger storage. But I have the 64 gigabytes. You can imagine running on 64 gigabytes as a film creator, as a content creator. Running on 64 gigabytes is very little for me. So yeah, this I'll put a side by side of filming with my iPhone and vlogging at the same time, and you guys can definitely tell the difference. So yeah, that's it I had for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I love you so much. Don't forget to catch up with me in my next video. Peace out.